we'll guide you through how to create a low-poly character in Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop. You'll start by deleting the default cube. Press the XPIs key to delete it. Next, add a new mesh by going to the Add menu at the top. Then select Meshes and choose UV Sphere. This will be the base for your character's head. Now, scale it down a bit by pressing S and moving your mouse to adjust the size. Once you're happy with the head size, press Shift plus D Trime to duplicate the sphere for the body. Move it down by pressing Dot and dragging it. Scale it to be slightly larger than the head. For the arms and legs, you'll do the same duplication and scaling process. For a low-poly look, you want to keep the shapes simple, so avoid adding too many subdivisions. Now, go to Edit mode by pressing Tab. Here, you can use the Loop Cut tool, found in the Tool menu on the left, to add a few edge loops to define the character's shape. Once you have the basic structure, switch to Object mode and go to the Modifiers tab on the right. Add a Decimate modifier to reduce the polygon count for that low-poly style. Adjust the ratio slider until you're satisfied with the look. Finally, to give your character some color, go to the Materials tab and create a new material. Adjust the color settings to your liking. Apply these colors to different parts of your character for a more vibrant look. And that's it. You've created a low-poly character in Blender. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.